Want to launch your next marketing campaign in minutes? Now you can with help from Klaviyo AI, or Kai for short. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use Kai Marketing Agent to build a fully branded marketing campaign so you can save hours of work and start seeing results fast. Chapter 1. Meet Kai Marketing Agent. Kai Marketing Agent is your autonomous marketing assistant built right into Klaviyo. Unlike other AI marketing automation tools, it's ready to help you create full campaigns without a single prompt. Once you launch Kai Marketing Agent, it works in the background, identifying opportunities and building campaigns without needing any extra direction from you. To get started, just enter your website URL, then sit back while Kai reviews your site to learn about your company and industry. Chapter 2. Create your first campaign with Kai, AI for marketing automation. Once Kai has analyzed your brand, it'll build out your custom campaign with AI for marketing automation. You'll get sign-up forms that perfectly match your website and branding, automated flows that effortlessly deliver timely experiences, and weekly campaigns and recommendations to help drive engagement, sales, and loyalty. In other words, everything you need to create marketing moments that are totally unique to your brand and tailored to your business. Chapter 3. Keep honing your strategy. AI for marketing automation. Klaviyo's AI marketing automation tools aren't just here to help you get started. Once you use Marketing Agent to send your first campaign, it'll map out ways to keep improving your results. Every week, you'll get new campaign recommendations and ideas for delivering inspirational, educational content that tells your brand story. And as time goes on, you'll get more advanced recommendations and flows, additional touchpoints, and new optimization opportunities so you can fine-tune your approach to growing revenue and driving customer retention. Chapter 4. Launch Kai Marketing Agent today, AI for marketing automation. Ready to see how AI for marketing automation can transform your results? Go to your Klaviyo account and click Launch on Kai Marketing Agent to get started today.